Yanu ebibrimbe
Akrofi-Christaller Institute of Theology, Mission and Culture, ACI, is a postgraduate research and training institution that focuses on African Christianity. It was founded in 1987 by Professor Kwame Bediako, who, with others, recognized the shift in the center of gravity of Christianity from Europe and North America to the southern continents, Africa, Latin America, Asia, and the South Pacific. Whereas at the beginning of the 20th century, about 80% of Christians lived in the West, now less than 40% live there, with the 60% and more living in the southern continents. This demographic fact places tremendous responsibility upon the Church in Africa and makes African Christianity a field for active study and research, so as to equip for more effective mission and ministry. Akrofi-Christaller Institute exists to help the Church rise to its responsibilities and meet the challenge. To achieve its objectives, ACI has developed the Master of Arts in Theology and Mission with a number of possible options: Biblical Studies, Pentecostal Studies, Holistic Mission and Development, Leadership, Mother Tongue Theology, and Bible and Science. ACI also offers the Master of Theology program with options in African Christianity and Bible translation and interpretation. Then the Doctor of Philosophy program in Theology focuses on African and world Christianity and Bible translation and interpretation. Christian leadership in Africa and beyond will greatly benefit from the curriculum that enables those eager to equip themselves for mission and ministry to appreciate the realities of the African cultural and religious setting, as well as African Christian experience, and consequently engage more effectively with today's ministry challenges. To support the achievement of these laudable objectives, the Johannes Zimmerman Library is available for the use of students and visiting researchers. It houses about 30,000 volumes of literature and journals specializing in theology and the history of Christianity in Africa. It includes indigenous language materials as well as other special collections in African history, language, and culture. The Johannes Zimmerman Library also has an archive, preserving archival materials of the Basel Mission and the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, as well as other ancient records of Christian history in Ghana. In addition, ACI is a subscriber to several databases, which enable researchers to be truly international in their range of research. The offices and seminar rooms of ACI are housed in the historic Basel House, originally constructed between 1848 and 1860 to accommodate students who were trained to become teacher catechists of the Basel Mission Church and later the Presbyterian Church. Just adjacent to Basel House is the newer Students' Hostel, which has spacious and comfortable accommodation for the many students who prefer to be housed on campus to give undivided attention to their studies. For guests and senior visitors to ACI, the historic Coconut House, also constructed in the 19th century, is available. Adjacent to Coconut House is the cafeteria, which offers full board in a deliciously delightful way. As demonstrated in the early African university, the Museum of Alexandria, eating and theology form a very fruitful pair. Akrofi-Christaller Institute is situated in Akropong-Akuapem, about 50 kilometers from Accra. But the town itself is historic, being the seat of the Akuapem Paramountcy, and is known for its annual Ojura Festival, which continues the heritage of Akuapem religion and culture. Interestingly, ACI students observe this festival with a view to understanding how the religious and cultural aspirations it embodies may be turned to Christ. One of the core values of ACI is excellence, and it seeks to achieve this in all aspects of its life. It is no wonder that it was the first private theological institution to receive a presidential charter to award its own degrees. Again, it is the only theological institution in Ghana to graduate a substantial number of PhDs from across the African continent and beyond, who are now members of its alumni association. Indeed, ACI is an international institution with faculty from 3 continents, and it attracts students from across Africa and around the world, making its community truly international. Come visit us sometime, or better still, join us on campus for an exciting journey into theology and mission studies, all aimed at making the Church of Christ more effective in its ministry. Our web address, www.acighana.org, and our telephone numbers are +233 342 091 490 or 491, +233 277 556 718.